It is so interesting to know about, when we deal with children, we sometimes may not think about these things.
Thank you. Thank you. Are you back to India?
No, not yet. I'll be back only in January.
January. Okay, okay. Long time, long time. Okay.
Yeah. But it's so interesting. I somehow make it up. Night sessions are okay. It's morning.
Yeah,
When
for
it
you
becomes
it's
morning,
morning.
it's late in the night, but try more or less try to attend it because it's so interesting for our own knowledge.
Thank
So
you.
actually, I too said about the reading habits, of kids that they don't want to read, write. And it was so enlightening. Actually, I see I have a granddaughter, 4-year-old.
Yeah. Make sure she
We have
reads a
a
lot.
library here very close to the house, so we take her to the library in the evening, a beautiful library with so many things for kids. It's a free library and a lot of kids come over there. Generally, children between the age of maybe 6-7 years, all of them are running around there. None of them are interested in the books or anything. There are lots of toys and things which they pick up and play. But hardly for 5 minutes, not even for 5 minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes they try. That's all.
No, reading has to be a conscious effort. There's no skip to reading. Because
So actually, in fact, I
now
met a
life is
grandmother yesterday.
whether you write or not, you have to read all your life. There's no doubt.
Right,
Whether
right,
it's reading a mobile or reading from laptop or reading a board, reading has to be mandatory.
So is it okay with the children with the not with the printed letter, even on this one, it's fine?
Doesn't matter. Reading.
Doesn't
Just
matter.
reading. Doesn't matter.
Just reading, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't
Because
matter.
they are more into this one, no? The digital world, I know, but they are all digital natives. We cannot
Yeah.
stop them, bring
See, in
them away
future
from
also
that.
they will be reading digital only, no?
Yeah, right.
I think in
No,
US,
so that,
Canada, as it is, school textbooks
oh,
are
they are
gone.
into
They're all
too much
reading
of
from the
this one
tab and
around,
screen. Yeah. That
Yeah.
doesn't matter, but reading is important.
Reading is
No
important. It's
skip
okay
to
even if
reading.
it is a digital reading. So I was
It's
really trying to
the
get her
best
into
is to have a book in the hand. The joy of reading
yeah,
from a book, the kids don't know because they didn't go through that journey. Like we all have
yeah,
shifted from book to tab, so we still know what it
that's
means
right.
to. Like I
Okay.
have a book on my table all the time. I am halfway through this book. So I'll finish this, the next book will come. It will be here only. Whenever I get some time, gap, 15 minutes, I'll open the book and read something. So we know the joy of reading.
Reading.
Yeah. From a book.